It says this is a strange but effective way to grasp a simple head shape, and it also helps point you toward how to exaggerate it at the same time. So try to associate the head shape of your object with the shape of some inanimate object you are already familiar with. Maybe this person has a head shaped like a light bulb, small, narrow bottom of the face and a big forehead, or whatever. But you try to use inanimate objects. This is a very powerful lesson because it is uh, it makes it easier to draw what you're trying to draw, if that makes sense, right? All right. Now, also, this whole shape, page 32, 33. This one is the concept that I'm teaching you almost today, okay? Exaggerating the head shape with an imbalance. Remember I told you about that eye line, right? Right here? And then finding an imbalance. Well, it's the same thing. That's the same concept that I'm using here. I'm drawing all of my caricatures start with that line, and then I create imbalances based off of the line. You get what I'm saying? This is the basis of the drawing. So here I might have this up here and this down here, right? Whatever I want to do, I'm thinking of it in relation to the center line. So this is where most of your caricaturing comes in, by making a imbalance in the head. Okay, so that makes an interesting character. So if you're trying to copy the reference, or try to copy too closely, then what's going to happen is that you're going to not do this, and then you're going to do something that looks very equilateral, like a normal head, right? And so your drawings tend to take on this very plain and ordinary look. You get what I'm saying? Versus if I did this to the guy, right? And I created a little bit of an imbalance, right? It just makes the picture a little bit more interesting. You know what I'm saying? Because of that imbalance between shape 1 and shape 2. Okay. All right. Hey, what's going on, Jama Yama? What's going on? How are you? But anyway, so the answer to that question, Dark Creed, is page 32, page 33, and then